So very good afternoon dear friend. Today I'm gonna to tell you the importance of making mistakes, right? We all people are already worried about making mistakes because we thought when we will do everything perfectly then we will start. But I will tell you, to be honestly, my dear friend, you are going to make a mistakes, right? You are going to make a mistakes, right? And if you are going to make that mistake, whenever you will become perfect, then you will start. So you never ever can be perfect, and the thing will never ever can be start. So think about that. Don't afraid about making mistakes, my dear friend. Without making mistakes, nothing can be changed, nothing can be happen, because you are making mistake the part of life, right? The whole life is the part of making mistake. Each and every time we gonna to make a something, different kind of mistakes, right? But who became winner, who became extraordinary, who can understand the importance of making mistake? The person is only became extraordinary, the person is only became genius, or the person is only became achiever, successful, or winner, whatever you can say, right? Because even though, how can we think like this way, my dear friend? How can we think like this way? I do not want to make any mistakes. I hurt mistakes. The supreme power of this universe called God has no that authority, freedom, or right to say ki I did never ever mistakes. God did so many mistakes. The shape of Rama, the shape of Krishna, the shape of whatever you can take, right? Making mistake is not a crime. To be honestly, I will tell you, making mistake is not a crime. Or making mistake, you are not going to kill, you are not going to die. But if you are not able to making mistake, and then after you are not able to at least learn one or two lesson while making mistake, so definitely then no one can stop you to demolish or as well as to destroy your life. Making mistake is not a crime, but after making mistake, learning nothing is such a huge crime. Or if you are going to do that, so definitely I will say, really, you have no any authority, right, or freedom to make mistake, right? You want to learn new thing. It can be technical skills, or it can be communication skills, it can be negotiation skills, it can be handling the conflict, it can be find the solution over the difficulty, it can be you can say like that leadership, it can be you can a psychologist, it can be develop few kind of skills. While making mistake is only the thing can be developed, or you can acquire certain amount of thing while making mistake. Let me talk about, let me tell you the example of communication. What do you think about that, my dear friend? Without making mistake, you can develop a certain amount of confidence, courage, or fluency. What do you think about that? If you want to improve your communication, if you want to develop certain, I'm not talking about the whole amount of confidence or courage, certain amount of confidence, courage, or as well as fluency. If you want to improve this language, if you want to learn this language, so you have to develop, I will tell you, to be honestly, you have to make mistake first. Then slowly, the mistake will be decreased. The mistake will be less, and you will be better day by day. You will be fluent day by day. You will be confident day by day. You will be, courage day by day. You will get that, amount of courage. That amount of courage, which is courage, is enough for you to becoming fluent or, confident speaker. Right? But without making mistake, if you think, whenever I will use each and every sentence, perfectly, whenever I will use each and every, word perfectly, then I will, try to speak the front of other person. Otherwise, no, I do not want to get any kind of criticism. I do not want to get any kind of dislike by other person. I do not want to create that kind of environment or insulting atmosphere the front of me. In this way, nothing can be changed, or in this way, you cannot develop anything. So think about that. Always be ready to make mistakes, because making mistake is the part of life. And only after making mistake, the people became achiever, successor, or as well as winner. So think like this way. Always think like a positive side. Don't think like a negative side. Right? So make mistake and learn after making mistakes. Thank you, my dear friend. Have a good day.